I'm Tian. I'm gonna introduce my dog. She is also my family member. My name is Tajo. The name Tajo came from my younger sister's nickname. It is Takjo, so I gave the meaning Tajo is the youngest our member. Most of the people say the name Tajo is very unique, but it has a special meaning. She is 3 years old now, in human age is 30 years. Even though she is middle aged, she is a little puppy to me. She has come my place on May 5th, so her birthday is May 5th. We celebrate her birthday each year, and her character is a little timid. She doesn't want to get along other dogs. She always loves humans little than her laces. This is a problem that she loves every human, not just her family. So I'm so disappointed at this time. But when I come back to my place, she always welcomes happily, and I pet on my little dog Tajo. So she wags her tail and then she barks. So our home's atmosphere is getting lovely. She's our youngest sister and the life of the party in home. Anyway, Tazo is very very cute girl to our family. Thank you.